Hi everyone, welcome back. We are here with another day of science. I think I solved our pendulum problem. I am in my living room and it's nice and bright out. I've got a big window behind the computer. So we should be able to see our pendulums working just fine. And if we hang them from the coffee table right there, there's nothing in the way to stop it from swinging. Okay, now before we get going, I want to talk about our data from yesterday. Okay, so here we have our data. Sorry, I have to figure out how to sit next to the computer here. So I have our data. We saw yesterday that with a swinger of 12 centimeters, it swung 26 times. We saw with a swinger or pendulum of 20 centimeters of string length, it swung 18 times. We saw with a pendulum of 36 centimeters, it swung 13 times. Notice how my string length gets longer, my number of swings decreases. Let's see if that holds true for the last one. For our last pendulum of 52 centimeters string length, we had 10 swings. So as we can see, we have a decrease in number of swings as we have an increase in string length. Okay, I hope you saw that yesterday as you were looking at this data. Now that's for trial 1. Today we are going to run trial 2. I'm going to write trial 2 right down here. And I'm going to write 12 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 36 centimeters, and 52 centimeters. Okay, see how I have that set up? I've got trial 1, squiggly line, trial 2. Now, good scientists always run their experiments more than once in order to figure out whether or not the first set of information was accurate. Okay, so today, let's run this second round of tests and see if we can't figure out whether or not our data is accurate. Okay, so here I have my coffee table, my 4 pendulums, and the pen dangling off of the table. My information's here on the floor. I'm going to get my watch ready for a stopwatch. Or timer, excuse me. 15 seconds, it's ready to go. It's still set from last time. So let's start. We're just going to go down the list today. Okay, so we'll start with 12 centimeters. I'll hang it from the end of the pen. My watch is ready to go, so I don't have to watch that. Pull the pendulum so it's matching the height of the table. And when I push start, I'm going to let go and start counting. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Timer's going off. We're done. I'm going to record 26 swings, which is exactly what we got last time for our number. Okay, now I know you noticed with this pendulum how it slows down as it gets closer to the center. It doesn't have very far to go out, so it just doesn't go very far. So it'll swing a little bit, but it swings pretty quickly. Hence, 26 swings instead of a smaller number of swings as we have for the other pendulums. Okay, let's look at 20 centimeters. 20 centimeter pendulum, ready to go. Pull it out to the side. And I start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It was probably 17 when it started going off. So I'm going to write 17 swings. And we had 18 last time. So that's pretty close to the same. So we're going to keep it. We're going to keep that data. Now I have Floyd with 52, 36 centimeter test. Ooh, we are going to run into a problem with the 52 centimeter. It's going to be too long. All right. 36. Ready? Whoop. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had some interference, so you know what? I'm just going to start it over. Probably has to do with how I released it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It started going off at 12 actually, so I'm going to record 12. Okay. I think I'm going to need to set something underneath. Yep. It hits the floor, so that's not going to work out. So we're going to tape, actually. I think if we tape my pen to the top of my coffee cup, it'll be tall enough. Let's find out. And it is. I'm just going to support the pen so it doesn't fall off. But that was a quick and easy fix. Oh, it's not level with the table now. Okay, so I'm going to then very carefully hold this level. You guys think that's level? I'm going to hold this level. Start my timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 swings. Timer's going off. All right. Thank you, coffee cup. Okay. So I'm going to record this, then I'll come back to you. So 2 of our measurements from this trial were exactly the same as last time. And 2 of our measurements were off by 1. What that tells me is that our test is very accurate. And the way we've been conducting this experiment tells us that we are only measuring 1 variable. Do you guys know what variable we are measuring? We're measuring the variable of the string's length. We drop every pendulum from the same height. We count it for the same number of seconds each time, no matter the length. I'm the only person counting, so there's consistency there. So the only thing in our they all have the same weight of bob on the end. That washer is the same. They're made out of the same string. Everything else is the same. The only thing we're measuring is the string's length. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll scoot closer to you as I graph this. You can see me do it. So trial 2. We have, so I'll write trial 1 here. These are going to be really close together. I'll plot stars though for this one. 12 centimeters is 26 again. So I'm just going to go right on top. 20 centimeters is 17 swings. 36 centimeters is 12 swings. And 52 centimeters is 10 swings. So I'll just go right above again. Okay, so now if I draw a line through those markings, what do you notice? Are they the same or are they different? That motion looks pretty similar to me. Again, telling me that our data is very, very accurate. Okay, sorry, I'll get out of your faces. Today I want you to make some guesses. Okay, I want you to predict. This is not a guesstimate, this is a prediction. I want you to predict using our data. We just ran the experiment twice. I want you to predict how many swings you would get out of some pendulums at different lengths. Okay, I will supply those in your assignment today. Not doing an activity, I'll do an assignment. I want you to do your own thinking. I want you to make a prediction using this information about how many swings you would get out of a pendulum of a different length. Everything else is the same, it looks just like our pendulums. But I want to know what you think our number of swings would be. Based on the information we've received so far, you should be able to make a good guess. Okay, I know you guys can do this. Sorry this video is so long, but thank you for hanging out with me as we conducted our experiment. I have this for you. I have your assignment prediction, and that's it. Have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow.